What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And yes, we are very occupied for the next couple of weeks. And I was very occupied today. So in this review, we have Roundup. Now, I am not going to do a brand versus because I already did a brand versus with Roundup versus Sunday. So with this, I was just in the store and they have the other Roundup. I was at Home Depot, so they have the other Roundup. It's like a green and white bottle, and then they have this Roundup, which is a gray and blue bottle. Now, this one says weed and grass killer. Okay, just to inform everybody, it's weed and grass killer. Do not spray this on your lawn. You will regret it. 4 months preventer. It says kills the roots, guaranteed. All right, you guys, so since I got a refill bottle, I do have my Craftsman hookup. I'm gonna see if that works. That will be very good for me because I do not feel like doing this. This is battery powered. I did get this from Lowe's. Okay, I will try to put a link in the description if I remember, but if I don't remember this, it came from Lowe's. Did you know? All right, people and pets may enter treated areas after spray has dried. Blase, blase. So the main thing I'm gonna use this for is my driveway. So I'm gonna put that right there. Y'all can pause it, look at it for yourselves. This bottle is like $30-something, you guys. So this is not a cheap bottle. It says when to apply, weather above 60 degrees. Take a photo so nobody will try to challenge me, because I am not going to go back and forth with anybody, because everybody is a professional. So with that being said, does it say how long does it take to activate? Usually Roundup takes a couple of hours, then you'll see stuff die. It says rain proof, rain or water 30 minutes after application will not wash away. Okay, blah blah blah. Let's go ahead and start putting this on. I am going to use this for my pavers because I just have y'all know when I did that rye grass seed, I kind of got carried away and basically I put grass seed everywhere, and basically grass is growing everywhere, including the patio. So we are going to clear out our patio and bring it back to normal. All right, you guys, ready to see if this Craftsman gun will fit? I love this. I was thinking about getting a backpack sprayer, but who needs it when you have the Craftsman gun? Let's go ahead and have some fun now. All right, you guys, we are about to go out. Well, we are already out here. So we are about to spray the pavers and try to get all the grass we can out. And there goes a fox going through somebody's yard. Make sure he don't come over here. And there he goes. Let me see if I can catch him for y'all. There you go. Or she. Y'all see it? Sorry, you guys, this is the best of the zoom in I can get, and I can see the fox, but he's gone. Well, that was interesting. Hopefully no fox come through this yard while I'm doing my review. I am going to go ahead and spray all this. Hopefully I don't kill none of my actual grass, but if I do, oh well. All right, everyone, so I am done spraying. Okay, I sprayed most of the cracks, all of the grass. I think it's like 4 something right now, so I'll come back out here in another 2 hours, check out. I know I got stuff everywhere, but I'll get to it. I'll come out here in the next 2 hours to see how much damage did the Roundup do, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully it kills it fast, and yeah, once it kills it, I'll just pull everything up. It should be easier to pull up once the roots are dead, and that will be it. All right, stand by. Okay, everyone, so it's 24 hours later. So my expectations for this Roundup was the same as this Roundup. So I thought, you know, it says rainproof in 10 minutes and visible results in 3 hours, okay? Do not take the content from here and transfer it here, okay? Because that's what I thought. All right, so we are 24 hours in, and I want to say that it is finally turning brown, but even when I woke up this morning, it still looked like it was green, okay? Now, some stuff are brown, okay, and some stuff is still alive, so I think this stuff takes a while to actually do anything and even all the way down. So yeah, I remember I sprayed all this stuff, all this was sprayed, even all this. I mean, I could rip that up easy, but I just want to make sure that we kill it. Here we are 48 hours later, and now you can see that there is chemical reaction to the grass. All right, now I'm not going to say it's easier to pull out, but we are trying to do this so we can prevent grass from growing also. So yeah, so as you can see, a lot of brown. It didn't work as I thought it would work with the spray bottle, but it worked. You need to let this stuff do its job for at least a couple of days. All right, so that will be it. All right, everybody, so my final thoughts on this Roundup right here. Now, this may work as a good preventer, maybe, but don't go in here with high expectations of the Roundup, the white spray bottle Roundup that I use. The white spray bottle Roundup worked like within hours, okay? This thing actually works in days. So the grass actually turned brown, and it took 48 hours for that stuff to turn like really brown, or for the grass to die, or the weeds to die. So that's about it. So other than that, I use my battery sprayer, which is awesome, and this product is okay. Once again, they do have the spray bottle one that wanted to work within hours. They do have it in a big gallon jug like this, and I will put a link in the description to that one also, and I will put a link to this one, and that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.